Mark has been dying to open the new air fryer that we ordered for the RV. And this morning he says, "Okay, we're going to do our video today." And I'm like, "Dude, I am dressed up every single day. And now you want me to dress up on the weekends too?" But me and the babies are all snugly up here in our warm bed. Who wants to get up early on a Saturday? Us? Not us.
Okay, well, we get to play with it today.
Yep.
Because it's been sitting in my living room for 3 days because I didn't want to open it until we did the product review. What it is a 3.2 liter air fryer by Insignia. And we actually got it on sale, and all the ones we were looking at were like $70 to $100. This one we got for $40.
Amazon. Amazon's been our best friend lately.
Yeah. So basically what it does is it cooks food with little to no oil. You could fry, you can roast in it. You can do French fries, which we'll do today. And what else should we do?
We're going to try our egg rolls.
Oh, think egg rolls work in there?
We're going to see.
Okay. Well, that's what we're going to do. So we will give you our impression of it at the end. All right.
Here we go.
Okay. Okay. Let's see what's in this box. 3.2 liter air fryer. I know, hard on the short people in it.
You got it?
Yeah. Okay. It's like Christmas. Okay, I tell you what, let's turn on its side. You're right, it's a little heavy.
Got it?
Bust it up, get it out there. Yep.
All right.
Okay. And anything else in that box? It's Christmas. All right. Okay. Well, this is what you get. Insignia 3.2 liter air fryer. Let's get rid of all the stuff.
So we're trying to find appliances that are multi-purpose and will hopefully save on space. This is a little bigger than what I had anticipated.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the bin is big. I mean, which is what we need. We want to be able to cut out the oils. Oh, look at this. That's really big. Here, open the book. Open the book. Hey, Lisa. That it? Ah, there it is. Look at that. That's big. That's way bigger than what I anticipated.
Yeah, let's see. That's bigger than what I thought.
That's way big.
And I like it's got a place for any of the oils that cook off there. Because I guess you can roast in here too. You can cook bacon in there. Bacon, chicken, steak. Had to buy steak. Okay. Okay, don't need it in French. All right. I'll let you look at that, and I'll look at the good stuff. Okay, so now what you got to do is you got to pull the basket out, and it's got a little deal here to pull the inner basket out.
Let me show you how to get that.
Nope, I got it. Okay, and it just says to wipe it out inside and out. So this is the inside basket. I'm assuming that's where all the grease and everything will go that comes out of the food. It says you can do like bacon and stuff in there too. So there's the basket, and there's the inside of that deal. Put that back on there. And it says to wipe out inside here. I'm guessing it probably has like some oils and stuff from when it was manufactured. You gotta get all that out. So probably what we'll do before we actually cook anything in it is go ahead and put it through a cycle. So put that back in. That is a big basket. And sync. All right. The on button. And it's all touchscreen. I don't know if you guys can see this. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and manually set it. Let's see. That's the time there. So we're going to set it for 5 minutes just to burn off whatever may be in there. And then this button over here is the temperature. And I believe this thing runs from 350 up to 400 degrees. Okay. Thank you. And we're back. Okay, we're going to make French fries according to the directions that came with the fryer. Hi, this is Lisa. It says a half a tablespoon of canola oil. And she was asking me,
why oil? Because part of why we're doing this is because we have a fryer. We have a deep fryer that we use too often because we like it. But this is an air fryer, so it's supposed to be able to crisp as well. And we're interested to see how it works. So that's what this is all about. It's a test. And
well, and the thing is and
how much? Half tablespoon? Oh,
right here.
Yeah, I'm sorry, in the bowl.
In my spoon.
In the spoon.
And for the record, I wouldn't normally measure this, but the whole point of this is to start watching our health. So we're going to measure.
His wife's a little anal.
Yeah. The fries, they said to cut them, put the oil in the bottom of the bowl. You got to get them good and dry, or they won't crisp properly. And then just toss them in the oil. So we'll toss them in the oil. Scoot over. I'm apparently stealing the limelight. Okay. So now they're tossed in the oil. And what they say is you have to have the oil to get the crispy texture. But a half a tablespoon of oil is way less than what a fryer would have. So now
and the recipe, the other thing we're going to try to do today is egg rolls.
Yes.
And the recipe for egg rolls says just spray them before you put them in. So I think we should do 2 tests. I think this is 1 potato. Let's do one with oil and let's do one without oil and see what happens. What do you think?
Sure, why not?
Let's try it.
Okay. We're going to start with this one.
Right.
Okay, and it says to use your fingers so that you don't get too much oil in there. So you're leaving a lot of the oil in the bottom of the pan. Basically, all you're doing is you're coating them. And you lay them in the bottom of the basket. And this is 2 very small potatoes, so it won't take up, it shouldn't take that long to cook. You can put the basket in because I'm all greasy now.
Let me get you ahead.
Oh, well, thank you, baby. Okay, now for the fun part. Hello. Ah, there it goes. Okay, so you hit the power button, and again, it's not a button. This is all digital control. So what I want is the fries, and they're over here. So I hit it for fries, and then wait 10 seconds, and it's supposed to start on its own. There are manual.
There it goes.
There's a way to do it manually too, and the book tells you how long to cook it and what temperature to set it at. So it says it's going to take 13 minutes.
We'll be back.
So we'll be back.
Okay, the timer has gone off. So the first batch, our trial run with oil, is done. Let's see how they came out.
Careful, this is hot. It looked pretty good.
They're crispy.
It looked pretty good. Better grab some salt.
Oh, it does look good. A little salt. Get it on there while it's hot. Okay, so we'll let these sit and cool while this next batch cooks.
For long. Okay.
All right, so this is what the recipe called for when you do the egg rolls, which we're going to do later. We'll show you that. But it calls for canola oil to spray. So we're going to try that and see how that works with the French fries. Woo! Runaway fry.
That one didn't want to get fried.
Okay, here we go. And we start again.
And we start again. Only this time we know how to do it. So we put it in there, and we push the power button. Shorty, do you need some help? And then you push the mode button, and a little symbol shows up, and this one shows up. The first one that shows up is French fries. If you want bacon, you hit it twice. They're up here on the top. And then you just wait for 10 seconds, and booyah!
There it goes.
It's magic. Okay.
All right, folks. This is the first batch that we've been keeping warm. This one just got done, so let's get it out of there. If I remember how to get
Shake it.
Shake it out. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, they're nice and toasty too. You get some salt ready?
I do.
You get the salt this time. Okay, so let's compare.
A little pepper.
I didn't put pepper on the other ones. I'm
I
sorry.
did.
You did? Okay. All right. So this was with oil, and this was just spray. We can see the difference. We see up close, but they look very similar. Let's let those cool for a minute. You want to try tasting them?
Yeah, you know, if you insist, I'll try one.
That's good.
Just like when we do in the fryer.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
They've been sitting there a while, so they're not crispy anymore, but they're cooked through and they've got that nice creamy texture to them.
It's really hot. Here, let's find a skinny one, and maybe it'll cool down faster. Ready? I need help. Ready? You're not helping.
It's okay.
What do you think?
I think they probably need to cook just a little bit
That's
longer.
probably exactly what I was going to say. Maybe
Let's
one more minute. Still got that starchy potato-y flavor.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make some egg rolls. And in our pot we have a ton of vegetables. Hi, we've got a ton of vegetables. We've got cabbage, peppers, onions, zucchini, bean sprouts, carrots and celery, a hamburger, and then a variety of seasonings. I like to throw a little chicken base in with mine just to give it a more savory flavor. And you cook everything down until it's fairly soft. Set your egg rolls out. Move this back so you can see that. Go ahead and get it set with the pointy part on top. And what we're going to do is we're going to, I like making mine pretty fat. And we're going to, they use egg wash. I find water works just as well. And what you do is you grab this bottom corner, you come over the top of the goo, drag it back, tuck your corners in a little bit, pull that in, and then you roll it. And you got to be careful because once these things start getting wet, they get a little bit, soft. So we're going to spray that thoroughly with canola oil. That's going to help it to crisp up. And then we're going to set it down in our basket. Now I will tell you that with a regular fryer, this is faster. There's no doubt in my mind, 'cause it's going to take 8 minutes, and then I have to flip them, and then another 4 minutes. And a regular fryer, it's maybe 3 or 4 minutes. By the time I get another batch wrapped, I am they're ready to come out. So it's going to take a little more time. So I'm not going to get ahead of myself, because, like I say, if you let this thing set, they will get sloppy. Yeah, they're looking pretty good. Ooh, they're definitely hot. Okay, well, the machine's telling me it's done with the first batch. So, that's what they look like. Looks pretty good. And they're not dripping with grease like they usually are. Usually I have to put egg rolls on a paper towel on the end to try to get some of the grease back out of it. But those look pretty good.
Well, we have had a very busy and very productive day trying out our new Insignia air fryer. We have tested doing French fries with oil, French fries with just spray,
Yep.
and then also our egg rolls. And everything came out fantastic.
Yeah.
We were very impressed. I think this is going to work. It is larger than I thought it was going to be.
It is, although when you go to actually use it, the basket, like when I was doing egg rolls, I could only do 4 egg rolls at a time. And, you know, I normally do like 14 of them. So it works out because you can cook them, and then once you cook a batch, you can eat them while the second batch is cooking.
Right, but I'm more concerned about space in the RV. Because space is limited, and we're only going to be able to take a few appliances with us. So we're really going to have to look at this and see
True.
how this is going to work.
Because right now we're looking at that. We're looking at the Instant Pot.
Right.
We talked about taking the KitchenAid mixer.
The KitchenAid mixer.
I don't think that's going.
Those are our 2 favorites: our KitchenAid mixer and our Instant Pot. But
Yeah.
I hear a lot of people talking about the Instant Pot out there RVing.
Yeah, and the Instant Pot serves a dual purpose, because I mean it's both we can find room. It's a crock pot and a pressure pot, so yeah, I can definitely see that.
Yeah.
This here, I would rather have this than, because you know I like my French fries and I like my my egg rolls, and I wouldn't want to try to cook with oil in a RV, because I mean, aside from the fire hazard, just the heat and the oil and
just trying to maintain the oil
and everything. So yeah, it's I'm pretty happy with this. I think I could find a place for it. So that's it. If you like us, please subscribe. If you like the video, please hit like and join us. We're going to have more how-to, and
like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Can't tell we're new at this. See you guys.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.